So, savvy investors, before we talk rebalancing, which is critical, quick reminder to check out my just launched a free stock market investing course. The link is right there in the description, so don't miss out on this golden opportunity to elevate your investing game for free. Now, let's explore the fascinating concept of rebalancing your portfolio. Imagine this, you're an orchestra conductor and your portfolio is the symphony. Over time, some instruments play louder while others play softer. Rebalancing is your way of ensuring that all the instruments stay in harmony, just like your investments should be in balance. Here's how it works. When certain investments in your portfolio grow significantly or shrink, they can throw off your desired asset allocation. Rebalancing involves selling some of the outperforming assets and buying more of the underperforming ones to bring your portfolio back to its intended balance. Think of it as a way to manage risk and maintain your financial goals. It's like adjusting the sails of your financial ship to stay on course. Okay, let's learn how to rebalance your portfolio. Steps to rebalance your portfolio. Review your portfolio regularly. Set a schedule to review your investments. Annually or semi-annually is a good rule of thumb. Look at your current asset allocation compared to your target allocation. Determine rebalancing thresholds. Decide on a percentage range that, when exceeded, triggers rebalancing. For example, if your target allocation for stocks is 60%, you might rebalance if they grow to 65% or drop to 55%. Execute the rebalancing if your portfolio needs rebalancing. Sell some of the overperforming assets and buy more of the underperforming ones. Ensure you maintain your desired asset allocation. And there you have it, financial conductors, the art of rebalancing your portfolio unveiled. Remember, it's like maintaining the rhythm of your financial journey. Before you embark on your journey to master portfolio rebalancing, don't forget to seize that golden opportunity. The link to the free stock market investing course, ready for you below. If this video resonated with your investing spirit, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and ring that notification bell to stay in the loop. Until our next harmonious adventure, happy investing, and may your portfolio always produce sweet financial melodies.